Hey everybody, I'm Laura from Shure, and on today's episode of How Do You Do That, we'll be talking about how to simultaneously charge your device while using the MV88 Plus stereo USB. Let's check it out. So if you've ever been out and about making recordings using your MV88 Plus stereo USB mic, you may have thought it would be cool to charge your phone at the same time. That's where this guy comes in. It's the Apple Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. It's got a USB-A and a Lightning port on it right there for you. So how you're going to use it is you're going to plug it into your device. See those ports right there. Then you're going to plug in micro USB, USB-A, that's my cable, to the back of the 88 Plus, and then into the USB-A port of the adapter. Next, we want to get power, so I'm going to take a Lightning cable, plug that into the adapter, and then I have just a brick portable power charger that I'm going to turn on. So what you'll notice is the microphone is still getting power here. It is turning green, which is telling me that it's coming through. I also see it in my Mode of Audio app right there, telling me that my MV88 Plus is plugged in. And then I can also see right here that my device is being charged. One of the things we've heard from some people is that when they're using the adapter, it's making their MV88 Plus show up as an external microphone on their device. So a workaround for that, if that's happening to you, is to unplug this, plug in this short cable that comes with your MV88 Plus, that's micro to Lightning, configure the microphone the way that you want in terms of polar pattern, gain, etc. Unplug that because it stores those settings directly to the mic, and then plug in this setup here and you'll be good to go. So even if it shows up as an external mic, you have that green light going, that's telling you that audio is passing and that the mic is receiving power. So that's how I can charge my device while using my MV88 Plus stereo USB. I'm Laura Davidson. Like and subscribe for more videos just like these, and thanks for watching.